Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you something that happened. Alright, here we go. As you guys know, I placed the door, I did the gap, perfect. The gap is perfect on the bottom, perfect on this side. Now what I'm doing, I am doing the transition from the fender to the door for it to be perfectly nice transition. And that's where it's at right now. The gap is perfect, but there's a problem. And what is the problem, you might ask? Well, everything is nice, everything is gapped, perfect. The reason is this door and this fender was already worked on. It had a bunch of body filler here in the bottom. So I added more body filler to do the correct transition to the door. But I put some chims, I put everything that I needed to do perfectly as to where it needed to be to get this perfect transition. But let me show you what is happening. I'm gonna unbolt the fender, remove the fender, so I can show you. Because this fender was already worked on, and me applying a bit more body filler, look at the amount of body filler there is right there. That is not acceptable. Another thing, there's supposed to be like an indentation here, a little valley that's supposed to have, that the Trans Ams have. Let me show you on the other side so that you can see what I'm talking about. This indentation right there. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. I'm trying to get you the best angle. There is an indentation that this cars have, which goes all the way to that quarter over there, all the way to this fender. Everything has that indentation. They removed it from that side. From this side has been removed because of the amount of body filler that they added. Now on the door, all of this section right here in the bottom has been worked on. So they welded, I can see the weld right there all the way across where the indentation supposed to be, and they also removed it. So in order for me to fix these doors, which is not, there's gonna have to have a lot of body work done, and I don't recommend. Look at the amount of body work, amount of body filler that it has right there. Okay, I do not recommend putting a lot of body filler on the doors of any car. It doesn't matter if this one, it doesn't matter on any car. Reason being, the gap is perfect over here. The amount of body filler here, it's minimal. So I knew this was gonna be perfect, but that I didn't know until I put that fender. The reason is the door, when you open and close, that body filler is gonna crack. That body filler is gonna, it's gonna come out. It's gonna crack and it's gonna eventually pop out. That is one of the main reasons that you do not put that much body filler. I spoke to the owner. That side on, it's gonna be the same. It's gonna be exactly the same way. I spoke to the owner. He understood as to what I was talking about. I sent him pictures, and the best thing, replace the doors. Replace the doors with brand new ones, because that is not gonna cut it. To anybody that's working on cars, old cars, or whichever car, I recommend you checking as to what you're going to be needing, because once you get into this, once you get into a restoration project, there's going to come up there's going to be things that are going to come up. Okay, so just be aware about that. The owner agreed. He already purchased both doors brand new. He already purchased brand new fenders, which is perfect. That's gonna, I know that the new fenders or doors are gonna have to be tweaked here and there, which is no problem, but it's not gonna be this aggressive of body filler that those doors are gonna have. Maybe it's not gonna be any body filler. I don't know yet until those doors get here. And this is where we're at right now. So I'm gonna have to wait for those doors to get in so that we can install them and fix them before primering them and painting them. So we're gonna have to wait for that. But this is where it's at right now. It's something that happens to everybody. I'm showing you what happens from a restoration project. This is what happens, and this is what needs to be done. So take it, save it, use it. Everything that I'm telling you, I've been there, I've done it, and I'm trying to help you guys. All right, and this is gonna be it, a real short video as to what's going on with this Trans Am. And thank you guys. All right, I'll see you this coming weekend. I'll bring something up. Maybe it's not going to be the Trans Am because of the doors that are going to be missing for a bit, but I'll get something. All right, so stay with it, stay with me, and I'll see you this weekend. All right, thank you very much. Like always, stay safe and God bless.